So, what did you think of your first Glitza experience?
Great.
Good to hear. Was it what you expected?
Yep.
I like it. How did you choose your favorite designs or which design you wanted to use next?
Next.
Yeah, like which one you wanted to use, like
Maybe some flowers, like related, and animals, like cat or dog.
those are my favorites.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the process of applying
Yep,
Glitza?
definitely. Like, look at my design.
It looks so good. I like it so much. Could you think of other places in your everyday life that you could use Glitza that you didn't get to use it tonight?
Where?
Yeah, like where else?
Like party, like go to a party with my friends or maybe family, and we can do it together and take some good photos.
Oh, that'd be really good. Do you think your friends, peers, and people your age would enjoy Glitza?
Yep, definitely.
Is there anyone in your life you would want to give Glitza to as a gift?
Like I saw some products outside and it's designed for kids, so maybe I would like to give it to my little brother and sister.
And what events would you want to have Glitza for?
To make it look pretty.
Do you have any other comments about Glitza? Any
Great.
suggestions?
I love it. I highly recommend people to buy it.
Thanks, Candy. All done?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And you can choose